Hello, my name is Wan Ahmad Iqbal bin Muhammad Ali. The metric number S61574. I'm going to present about the biology of cherry shrimp and its production technique to my lecturer, Dr. Nur Asma binti Arifin. For the introduction, the culture species that I want to culture is the cherry shrimp. The scientific name, Neocaridina davidi. Neocaridina davidi is a species of freshwater ornamental shrimp that belongs to the Attidae family. Neocaridina davidi originates from Taiwan, but the popularity of colorful freshwater shrimp has led to them being available in other countries as well via the aquarium trade. The shrimp has different common names based on its color, like red cherry shrimp, blue cherry shrimp, jet cherry shrimp, and others. For the cherry shrimp taxonomy, cherry shrimp is a crustacean that has a segmented body from the rostrum, carapace, and segmented abdomen. The carapace and rostrum, which include the eye, antenna, antennule, pair of mesolepid, chill, and also pleopods. The abdomen, which has the segmented body, which conclude the petasma, pleopods, and the tails, tailstone, andropod, also uropod. The importance of cherry shrimp production to economy. First, for the economic contribution, the cherry shrimp has wide market, also popular in many countries like USA, to Asia, and to Europe. The farming practice is popular to hobbyists and ornamental fish breeder, which they make it the economy go even higher. For ornamental value, the shrimp variety make it ornamental shrimp is pricey to a specific strain. For significant export commodity, the cherry shrimp is high demand in specific country like USA because they really suffer some uh, specific and strain. The biology and behavior of cherry shrimp, Neocaridina davidi. First, they are small freshwater crustaceans that spend most of their time grazing on biofilms that form on leaf. They also have segmented body covered in a hard exoskeleton with 3 pair of mesolepids or jaw legs used for feeding, and 5 pair of limbs used for swimming called pleopods. Female shrimp use this limb to hold the egg and has fast reproduction rate, producing around 20 to 30 eggs every few weeks. They are also detrivores, an opportunistic feeder grazing on algae, biofilms, and dead plants. The breeding technique for the cherry shrimp, first the tank setup, it need at least 5 gallons of water, of dechlorinated water, so it is easy to observe change in the tank. For the broodstock selection, it has quite sex ratio, but the desired one is 1:1 of male to female ratio. Desired shrimp strength also need to be concerned for broodstock selection, like red cherry shrimp, yellow cherry shrimp, also jet cherry shrimp. Diet and feeding for red cherry shrimp, they are omnivores that feed on biofilm, pellet, spirulina. Matured water with microalgae and beneficial bacteria also important for their lives. The water parameter, the pH range at about 7 to 8, and the carbonate about 3 to 5. The total dissolved solid from 150 to 300, and the temperature from 20 to 38 degrees Celsius. The breeding technique also include the avoiding predators and parasites, which will affect the breeding technique. The predators and parasites such as planaria, dragonfly larvae, also copepod. Aeration, lighting, and plant also need to be included. The aeration that included, like sponge filter, that is the most suitable. Light is need is important for plant and macroalgae growth because plant is need for gas cycle, nitrogen cycle, and also for alternative diet. The issues in cherry shrimp culture is the one selective breeding. They are hard to produce for the best quality offspring because it is also hard to obtain the broodstock. The knowledge on the selective breeding is also cannot easily to obtain because there are very few of them. The predation, disease, and parasite become issue because once introduced, it is almost impossible to stop it totally, such as planaria, copepod, and dragonfly larvae. Nutrients and water become issue to a beginner. Parameters like pH, GH, and KH ratio is really important in shrimp culture. Also nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Diet and feeding to provide balanced diet for maximum breeding activity and offspring coloration is a desired one. Precise amount of feeding is important without overfeeding them. For the suggestion on the selective breeding, we need to learn from the master and obtain knowledge of breeding technique to obtain more higher grade offspring. Such technique is like separate crude and bad quality shrimp, so we can sell good quality shrimp for higher price and create more good quality shrimp. The medicine that will kill all shrimp, that will kill all parasite but did not affect shrimp, is the most suitable one. Also, we need to sterilize and incubate outside resources like plant, newly introduced shrimp, and substrate. For nutrient and water, we need to gradually check parameters. Also, we need to learn on how to manipulate the parameter like pH, GH, and KH. Also to mature the water with beneficial bacteria and microalgae. And lastly, the suggestion of diet and feeding, we need to give nutritious pigmented feed like spirulina, which contain more astaxanthin. So we need to fertilize the water with spirulina or other nutrients to encourage the microalgae beneficial bacterial growth for diet. So this is the reference. So that's all. Thank you.